Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Mutualism questions are simple if you know what to look for. Let's identify which statement describes two species helping each other. First, remember that mutualism is a specific type of symbiotic relationship where both species involved must benefit from the interaction. We need to find the option where everyone wins together. Looking at the choices, option C explains that when these organisms are separated, neither survives as well as when they are together. This proves they both gain a significant survival advantage. Option A describes parasitism, where one benefits at the other's expense, while option D shows commensalism. That makes option C our clear winner today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check steps.